The WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom told reporters in Geneva that 2022 must be the year we end the pandemic. The World Health Organization chief on Monday called for the world to pull together and to make the difficult decisions needed to end the COVID-19 pandemic within the next year. As the end of year festivities approach, the UN Health Agency chief acknowledged that all of us want to spend time with friends and family. All of us want to get back to normal. But he said to get back to normal, we need to protect ourselves now as cases fueled by the fast-spreading Omicron variant surge.
In some cases, that will mean cancelling or delaying events, just as we have had to cancel the reception we planned to have with you today. But an event cancelled is better than a life cancelled. It's better to cancel now and celebrate later than to celebrate now and grieve later.
Since it was first reported in South Africa in November, Omicron has been identified in dozens of countries, dashing hopes that the worst of the pandemic is over. Despite indications it is not more severe than the Delta variant, which is still the dominant strain, the Omicron has shown in early data to have higher transmissibility and a worrying resistance to vaccines. Tedros is encouraging the health care workers to boost their protective measures.
Today, WHO is issuing updated guidance for health workers, recommending the use of either a respirator or a medical mask in addition to other personal protective equipment when entering a room where there is a patient with suspected or confirmed COVID-19. Respirators, which includes masks known as N95, FFP2, and others, should especially be worn in care settings where ventilation is known to be poor.
The WHO chief is hopeful that the end of this pandemic is not too far off.
2021 has been a painful year for many of us. But we cannot allow it to be a wasted year. As we approach a new year, we must all learn the painful lessons this year taught us. 2022 must be the end of the COVID-19 pandemic. But it must also be the beginning of something else, a new era of solidarity. We must leave 2021 behind with sorrow and look forward to 2022 in hope.
Cherry and Blackman, Stephen, GBN News.